So a brand new Amazon update is being slowly pushed to our devices, and very worryingly, it's talking about third-party applications. Now, as reported by Patrick, who's one of my channel members in my private chat group, he noticed this pop-up appear on his second generation Firestick Max. Now, as you can see, the message is telling you that you can now quickly jump into your favorite content, favorite apps content. You can personalize your Fire TV to make it easier for you to continue watching your favorite shows. But the key thing here, it says when you click on accept, supported third-party applications will share your viewing and content information with Amazon. So it's not just your official applications, it's trying to imply that even third-party applications can potentially share your viewing habits, your favorites, your watch lists. All of that information can be and will be shared with Amazon. So this is quite worrying, and this is probably the first time I've ever seen on an actual Amazon device this kind of pop-up telling you that if you click on accept, then your viewing preferences, your watch list, your watch activity, all of that content from third-party applications is now going to be shared back to Amazon. Now, I double-checked on my second generation Firestick Max. As we can see here, if I go over to the settings, if I click on my Fire TV, I can click on check for updates, and you can see as of the 7th of June, I'm running version 8.1.0.6. I don't see this pop up on my device. Now, the reason why I said this is the first time I've seen it on an Amazon device, because some time back, I actually noticed on the Amazon website where they do specifically talk about collecting third-party data. Now, we can see here that they actually mention that on these Amazon devices, they log the operating system of your device. They collect features like even things like navigation of the home screen. So that means as I'm navigating around, I'm clicking home, I'm going to settings, all of that data is actually being captured, because I guess they want to monitor browsing habits, user habits, and they can use that to then push out adverts to your device. They also look at your device language, they look at your display size, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options. All of these things are being captured. Now, they say here that what do they actually do with this data? So it says that they use the data to provide you with features of the device, like for example, to fulfill actions that your device that may take, like opening an app, like maybe restoring settings. They use that to help troubleshoot when you have a problem. And they also use the data to develop and improve products and features for all of their customers. So really, just to see what you're doing on your device, which applications you open the most, how you use your device, your favorite settings, your favorite options, all of that data is being captured by Amazon. It says app usage data. You can opt out of this, but they collect data relating to opening, closing, and duration and use of third-party applications. So it's not just your official applications. They are now even logging data about the third-party applications you have installed on your device, and nobody wants that. So as you can see, guys, so how do we now turn this off? Well, firstly, do leave me a comment below if you see this option or this pop-up on your device and what you've done with this particular option. But I would personally recommend turning it off unless you are happy to share that information about your third-party applications back to Amazon. Now, if I go back from here and in the settings, let's now go over to preferences. Let's click on that. Let's now click on privacy settings, and you can see here on my device, I just have collect app usage data, which I will turn off. Now, devices that seem to have this pop up, they have an extra option here, which is manage sharing from applications, which I will show you on the screen just now. As you can see here, so I would recommend turning the first option off, so you're not sharing anything but your third-party applications back to Amazon. And this is really not the first time that Amazon have done something like this, where they've sneaked in a new option or changed a setting on your device to help them collect more data from you. As you know, Amazon is all about collecting data from us, our browsing habits, our favorites, our watch lists, our device information, really any information that they can gather from you. They want to collect that because they can then use that information to serve you better adverts, which I personally am not a fan of. So the more things we can turn off, the more things that we can disable, the more things we can do to stop Amazon logging our information. I definitely think it's worthwhile doing that. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do leave me that comment below if you've seen this pop up, and if your app usage collection data was still set to off, or did they sneakily turn that back on in a recent update? Do leave me that comment below, let me know, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.